Don't press.
You have to wait.
Yeah.
Do
Your
you
head, ah. Narinig ko na. How? Dami mo bang tubig kasi? Slowly, Raf. Mag-sobrang fast. Look, no! Huwag ka lumapit. Grabe naman to. Ganyan katagal talaga?
Ano?
Hindi kayo sa school. Look, stop.
You got to close the shit in your face.
You wait. Ikaw tamaan ka na dyan sa head mo, ah.
Ha?
Not too close.
I think it's normal.
It's not?
Can you fix it?
Ayaw?
This is not fixed. Go.
Stay ka lang dyan, Evan. Huwag ka na lumapit. Nuki, stay there.